I'm currently in my private beach hut here. Welcome to another video and good morning from Goa, India. Goa is a popular tourist destination, an ex-Portuguese colony in southwestern India. I'm currently in my private beach hut here, which cost me 900 rupees a night. The Indian rupee right now is 71 rupees for $1 US. So this is about $12.50 a night. A little more expensive than I usually pay, but it is close to New Year's and I'm right on the beach. I've got lights, fan, no AC. Big bed, my own attached private bathroom, sink, shower. It's a bit wet right now, I just showered, and a Western style toilet. So overall, pretty comfortable, pretty close to the beach. Oh, this is cool, by the way. This is a heating element, which I use to make my tea. Cost me about $1. It's super dangerous. It doesn't have a thermostat, so there's no safety shut off. It'll just keep running and running. Also, you can burn yourself. Also, if you put it in a metal cup, I found out, and you touch the metal cup, it will shock you. So not very safe, but it's how I make my tea. This is my snack area. Got some orange juice, got some banana chips, got my tea. Got some Horlicks. This is like kind of like a wheat kind of drink, breakfast kind of drink. It's about noon and I'm a bit hungry, so I'm going to walk into town. I'll take you guys along the beach for a bit and then show you the village of Agonda, so I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking the link below. It only takes a second and it helps me out a lot. Here it is, my beach hut. So 900 a night. I'm kind of toward the back of the property where there is no Wi-Fi, so my room is a bit cheaper than the others. I think the ones up by the beach are around 1,500 a night. And my Indian SIM card isn't working here in Agonda. It was working in other parts of Goa. But I've heard the same thing from other foreigners as well, that they're having issues here with their SIM card. Hey. So these are the fancy ones. And restaurant. And look at that. Right on the beach. Agonda Beach, and I'm at the very end of Agonda Beach. These little canoes are pretty awesome. The outriggers. There's one guy, he goes out about dusk every night. Makes for a pretty good picture with him and the sunset right behind him. This is hot. I'm heading over here. Cool down my feet. That's better. That's tolerable. I'm gonna go to Palolem in a couple of days, which is a popular place here too. Palolem Beach is on the other side of those little hills over there. So maybe 7-8 kilometers or so. I might walk it if I wake up early enough. It's kind of miserable walking in this heat with your bags. So about 2 minutes of walking and my hair's dry already. So no need for a hair dryer. Also your clothes dry pretty quick as well. Tiger Kanish Bar and Restaurant. 71 rupees for $1 US. Sandwiches, served with chips, $1.50. $1.30 for a veg sandwich. Avocado sandwich, $1.60. Sounds good. I'm actually going to have an avocado sandwich at another restaurant that I like. Pizza, Momo's, nice. Cupid's Heaven Resort. I'm actually moving here tomorrow night, or tomorrow afternoon actually. That place is $10 a night for private room and private bath with fan and a bar right across the street. Like I said, I'm not used to paying $12 a night. It's pretty expensive for me. So I'm trying to find something a bit cheaper. Pilates, yoga sunset flow. Tasting feast every Wednesday. Hey, pup. This place looked pretty good. I looked at their menu last night. A little expensive. St. Anne's Church. I love the architecture here. Goa is a Portuguese colony, ex-Portuguese colony of India. So a lot of Portuguese influence on the language, the architecture, the food, and the religion. It's mostly Roman Catholic. You do find Hindus and Muslims and Buddhists as well, just like you do in other parts of India. But it's mostly Catholic. DJ, pool party, poolside, yoga, ecstatic dance, yoga, big massage, yoga. It's my restaurant over here. Good morning. Hello again. Masala chai, 40 rupees, as well as avocado cheese sandwich, salad, and chips for 140. So 180 altogether. That's about a little less than $3 US. Pretty good meal. Check this place out. Yoga classes right on the beach. Soulmate Beach Resort and Bar Restaurant, Deluxe AC Cottage. A lot of nice fancy places here. A lot of cheaper places as well though. There's not really too many hostels here in Agonda that I've noticed, at least on booking. Hello. No, not today, but thank you though. I'm sure. Maybe another day. Thank you. Good afternoon. Nice little Catholic shrine here. Laundry service, taxi service. Bolognese pasta. Very touristy here. Oh, hello, my friend. How are you?
I'm waiting for you now, your t-shirt.
What's that?
I'm waiting for your t-shirt.
Way to beach. So I bought a tank top from my buddy Danish, the shop owner I was talking to. Me and him have been going back and forth on the price for a couple days. So here's my new singlet, 250 rupees. It's about $3.48, something like that. So I'm back at my beach house. It's pretty hot out. I'm sweating pretty good, so I think I'm gonna go for a swim in the ocean. But I hope you guys enjoyed my tour of Agonda and Agonda Beach, and I'll see you guys next time.